Investing in new fund offers is now easier than ever with Prodigy Pro. Just follow these simple steps to get started. Open the app, scroll down the home page until you see the NFO section. Tap on the NFO section to view active NFOs. Browse down the list of active NFO schemes. Click on a scheme to see details such as launch date and end date. To invest in any of the displayed schemes, tap the Invest button next to your chosen scheme. Choose your investment profile from the list. Select the folio you wish to use for this investment. Enter the amount you want to invest in. Note that the minimum investment amount is 5,000. Now you will be redirected to the Confirm Purchase page. Review your investment details and tap Continue. The final purchase page will open. अब अगर आप इमीडिएट पेमेंट सिलेक्ट करते हैं तो आप सीधा NSE के UPI ट्रांजैक्शन वाले पेज पे रीडायरेक्ट हो जाएंगे. Enter your virtual payment address, which is nothing but your UPI ID, and make the payment. Now, if you select link on email option, then you will get a payment request mail to complete the transaction, जो आपको NSE के UPI ट्रांजैक्शन वाले पेज पे रीडायरेक्ट करेगा. And rest of the process is same as before. If you have chosen UPI as your payment mode, you will get a payment request on your UPI app to make the final payment. Now, if you've selected net banking as your payment mode and chosen immediate payment, you will be redirected to your bank page. Fill in the required details after authorization. Now, you will be able to start your investment process seamlessly. In case of link on email option, you will get a payment request mail to complete the transaction. After clicking on link, you will be redirected to your bank page. The rest of the process is same as before. And that's it. Investing in NFO with Prodigy Pro is that simple.